Besides one sutu ya Passion Java yanetsa kuti mukomana aramba ongopfeka sutu imwe kwa DJ Ola nekumuchato uku kozoita iyo Black Cafe yakazara pa social media kuti Boys to Men yakaenda kumuchato uku atagwirei by surprise. Hatizivi kuti vachati vanomboiziva here kwaiva kudzora ndangariro dzevadhara kozoti couple that was overwhelmed as attention shifted from them. Fleet ye 7 million yemota dzaiveko yakafamba nevachati nezvipo zvaitwa makwikwi kuratidzana zvishandwa neto umbrella. Manetizens achema akati the extravagance of this wedding yabva yaburitsa makerekisi nekusiyana the haves and the have nots muZimbabwe. Fadzai mahere akanda mastatements akati isusu tinenge tichinzi endai kuzvipatara zvisina pain izi asi vamwe vari kupuwa mamiliyoni nemamautimiliyoni musi mumwe chete iwoyo. So the general public sentiment is aiwa tioneiwo vari kumusoro. Anyway, speech ya baba Tagwirei kumwana wavo vari kuti ivo nemukono wavo we 33 hectares vanhu vakati mukono we 33 hectares kureva kuti munhu uyu anenge ane land yakambonyawanda seiko. Rekaitise speech yacho muzvinzwire vachizvitaurira.
The birth of something great that is called Taona and Koneso Tagwirei. For the two are now one flesh. I'm indebted to, we are indebted to many people because it takes a village to bring up Tao. Those who know. It takes a village. And so I want to thank all those who participated in making Tao the man that he is today. We are so proud of you. From Koma George to Tino, to Innocent Mgwisi and everyone else. To our family praise, my mother, Linda, my sister, to everybody that participated in making it. Was not only us. It was not only Rumbi and I, it was not us, but it was not neither Sandra and I, it was all of us. We have met with many people that we have not met for a long time. It is all because of you. I'd like to say, Poneso, I was telling your dad that there is no gift that Taona would give to us as a family better than you. The unfortunate thing is that you know it already. And she knows everything that she wants. She calls me and tells me this is not happening and this is happening, and so she's taking charge. Dova Maita Grey, Mr. Doana Sekuru. I don't know what to say, but I want to thank you. You have made us proud. We cannot, whatever we want to say to you, you do it better than us already. From reading chapter a day every morning to some of the things that you do it better than us. So we are very, very thankful. I don't know, there's anything else to say. My friends want to come and they want to share, but isusu kumshakwedu kana mwana wakura tinomtarira pake pekuti anovaka kuti aenda anovaka so isusu tikutarira taona 33 hectares kumwinsidam. So kuti chenda unovaka musha wako Tawana, you are already doing something that we never do. I was at work, you are already a businessman. Okay, come. You are already a businessman. And one of the things that Taoyi have done is that in everything that you are doing, you are not forgetting your siblings. So, for that, Tao, for what you have done for your siblings, we want to give you just 2.5 million just to...
The Tagwire wedding was not a harmless social event. It is an expression of the same governing instinct: entrench power, reward insiders, and keep the country's wealth moving upward and not outward. That is why so many people are beginning to get angry with this leadership. Say Ivan Vasinga support the CAB3. Whether in the management of gold, fuel, state procurement, or broader governance, Zimbabwe needs a leadership that puts national benefit ahead of private enrichment. The country does not need more rehearsed speeches from the current president or ministers, or more manufactured consensus from party caucuses. It needs moral clarity. It needs leadership that understands that power is a trust and not a trophy. Zimbabwe needs a reset from a political class that has become too comfortable living above the people it claims to serve. As Zimbabweans, we are not blind. We can see the difference between a nation being governed and a nation being harvested. We can see who is being protected, who is being enriched, and who is being asked to pay the cost. That is why the moment is larger than a wedding and larger than a constitutional amendment bill. It is a moment about whether Zimbabwe will continue drifting under a politics of plunder or whether a more disciplined and accountable leadership that will finally reclaim the state for the people. So ndo nyaya buda ku chokwadi chizere vari kuti ivo aiwagayizika de tamboona nawo tese kwete kungoti avo vashoma ndo vari kubenefita. Fadzai Mahere ati iye pamunenge muchiona fuel ichikwira munoti mari yacho iri kuendepi. Vanotiita mafuza vanhu ava. We need new leaders. In case you're confused, this is why they are doing the CAB3. Ivo vari kukika mari nebhutsu. Ivo uchishaya mari yekunorapisa asi mazvayo. We need new leaders. Imari dzedu dzaipfachurwa. Nothing impressive at all. We need new leaders. Zvekutodaro. My question is, how do you get this money out of the bank? Are they living in a different Zimbabwe? Wedweka, we need new leaders. So ndo mashoko afadzai Mahere aya ari kungotaura chinhu chimwe ari kuti we need new leaders. Unotoona mumwe achiomberera maoko asi dziri mari dzemhuri yeZimbabwe dziri kubiwa ipapa. Hauna kana pekurima chaipo asi busy kutsigira matsotsi. Nyika yakaita fototo nenhamo nenzara upfumi uchidyiwa nevanhu vashoma. Vakarwa hondo vacho kuti nyika inake. Vamwe vacho havana chavari kudya. So ndo mamwe macomments ari kubuda panyaya yafadzi iye. There is also 3 parallel economies in Zimbabwe. The former one, which is taxable and visible. Then another smaller informal for smaller dealers. Then the final black economy, which is for the elite. The law can't apply to the big fish. Only the ordinary citizens are suffering. Ndipo paunonzwa kushinze Zimbabwe haina mari asi nezuro ndakavhunduka ndichinzwa ma 20 million. Saka mari yese iri kubva kupi? Vamwe tichinetse kana kubata dhora chairo. Imagine vanopiwa nemabanks akarega kuburitsa mari idzi vanoiswa panguva yakaoma. Now road dzekumaseburbs dzakuita kunge dust road yekumusha. Minerals ari kupedzewa. The level of abuse of power in Zimbabwe is out of this world. They do as they want without any consequences. We really need new leaders. Zimbabweans, we need to talk. Aiwa, upenyu, atifita kafanana fadzai. Chero kukaita ma new leaders, they will always be the blessed bunch. The poor will always remain poor. Ndeipi kwenyika, isina murombo. Enough is enough. So guys, these are the general sentiments that are coming in vanhu vari kuti aiwa guys isusu taona muchato vanodya vakadya havo asi isusu kuno kwetiri inzara inotipasha. imikani zvakaoma. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.